Imagine you're sitting on the couch holding the soft, wrinkly hands of your spouse, rewatching your wedding film from 50 years ago. It's a silent film. There's no noise except for the two of you gasping and laughing as you watch the emotions of the day fill the screen of all of your loved ones celebrating the two of you. Super 8 film has that effect on people. It's the imperfections of the hair, dust, and jitter we've all learned to love from old movies. We think of childhood memories and young love. Today, some modern wedding photographer and videographer professionals have implemented film into their business, re-sparking the imaginative Super 8 silent films into a whole new creative art form. But most people today see an old film camera and immediately get intimidated. Even professional photographers and videographers who know their way around modern digital cameras. Film is a whole new world that makes you crave its imperfect nostalgia. Learning how to use Super 8mm cameras is only the first step out of a dozen steps you need to take if you want to implement this beautiful vintage art form into your wedding videography and photography businesses. This course will not only break down all the buttons on your camera, but it also give you some shooting pointers, walk you through 5 different film rolls in every kind of lighting, how to travel with film, how to get it processed and scanned at a lab, how to edit Super 8 short films and social media edits, how to price Super 8 packages and add-ons, how to market Super 8 videography into your current business and pricing guides, and even a free copy of the exact Super 8 clause in my contract to protect you legally in case the worst happens. This course will make you want to romanticize your business again. You'll start to bring your Super 8 for every shoot, wedding, party, and your own life events. You'll get re-inspired to learn how to shoot emotion in a more creative, nostalgic way that all of your couples and clients want out of their films. It'll turn your business into that lovey-dovey, film-driven, cinematic magic we all want. This is a self-paced course that allows you to stop, shop, and pull out those old cameras to reinvent your business with. It'll add value to your current packages and help you shoot with more intention on some of the most special and memorable days of our clients' lives. We are so excited to be offering the original Super 8mm course for wedding vendor professional creatives. We'll see you in there.